John 13:1-17. On the night before the cross, Jesus gave us one of the most powerful lessons of his entire life: humility and serving. He rises from the meal, removes his outer garment, and with a towel begins to wash the feet of the disciples. The Lord of heaven kneels as a servant. Peter refuses, "You shall never wash my feet." But Jesus replies, "If I do not wash you, you have no part with me." Peter then cries out, "Wash me completely." Jesus concludes, "I have given you an example. If I, the Master, have washed your feet, you also ought to wash one another's feet." Today, serving is still the way. True greatness in the kingdom of God is expressed in humble acts. Washing feet can mean listening, helping, comforting. It is not the title that honors the Christian, but the willingness to love and serve. Those who humble themselves will be exalted. Jesus taught us with his hands and with his heart, and now he says, "Blessed are you if you do these things." Have you served today? Start at home. Serve like Christ. Live like him.